Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
As they were taking videos and pictures of some wandering bears on a highway in Montana, their car got up close and personal with one grizzly that jumped in front of the vehicle, tapping and sniffing along the windows. "It was excited," Andrews told CNN News Saturday, "except I got my car kind of trashed." A large male grizzly bear was euthanized Monday southeast of Red Lodge after it was captured for the second time this summer at the site of livestock depredation. The bear, estimated to be 8 years old and 400 pounds, was captured over the weekend by the U.S. Department of Agriculture Wildlife Services, which set a trap on private land where cattle had been killed. The bear also was trapped on June 30th at the site of cattle depredation in the same area. It was fitted with a radio collar and released 10 miles away by Montana Fish, Wildlife, and Parks and Wildlife Services. On July 20, the collar failed and dropped off the bear. FWP recovered the collar by following the radio signal. When the bear was again implicated in cattle depredation southeast of Red Lodge Monday, FWP consulted with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and decided to remove the animal. So far this summer, 16 instances of livestock depredation have been reported both east and west of Red Lodge. After leaving the park, the party drove up to Beartooth Highway, where they came across some bears, said Andrews. As they were stopped, a bear jumped up on the car, and Andrews retreated back inside his own vehicle. Afterward, Andrews came face to face with that bear, with its claws on the hood and its face in front of the windshield. The bear came over and jumped up on the car and just had its way with the car for about 5 minutes, he recalled. At first, the bear crawled away, but then it returned and proceeded to the driver's side window. "Go away," a young child said in the video. The bear continued to touch the car windows and peer inside. Then, according to Andrews, the car engine started and the bear ran away. Andrews remembered talking to his friend's 7-year-old daughter, who was pretty excited by the encounter. "I asked her if she was going to have nightmares about this whole thing," he said. "She said, 'Are you kidding me? This was the best day of my life ever.' And I thought she was just kind of cute." But the interesting thing about this incident that happened with the family after they left the park: a fatal accident occurred on the road that leads to their home, and this makes the animals able to sense things that humans cannot explain. It's true that animals can sense a quake, usually just minutes before humans do, says Michael Blanpede, Associate Coordinator with the U.S. Geological Survey Earthquake Hazards Program. Established by Congress in 1977, the program monitors and reports earthquakes, assesses earthquake impacts and hazards, and researches the causes and effects of earthquakes. But that's a reaction, Blanpede adds, not a special talent for predicting when or where an earthquake might hit. Some researchers have theorized that certain creatures can detect signals that humans cannot, such as subtle tilting of the ground, changes in groundwater, or variations to electrical or magnetic fields. Seismologists would love to have an earthquake early warning system, but animals don't appear to be the answer, says Blanpede. "We were so fortunate that this bear disrupted our way home, we miraculously survived," says the wife. "More often than not, animals may protect us more than we think, even if they are already predators." Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.